Imagine the roar of 800 horses beneath a sculpted masterpiece that defies gravity. Meet the 2020 Pagani Huayra Roadster BC, a car so rare and exquisite, it feels like it belongs in a gallery rather than on the road. But this isn't just a car. It's an engineering symphony crafted for those who dare to dream. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is not just a supercar. It's a work of art. Every curve, every line whispers the language of aerodynamics and precision. The titanium carbon fiber body shimmers under the light, reducing weight while maximizing strength. The signature gull-wing doors invite you to a world of elegance and exclusivity. From the aggressive front splitter to the rear diffuser, every inch screams speed and sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels more spaceship than car. The handcrafted leather seats, stitched with precision, hug you like a bespoke suit. Every button, every dial is a masterpiece of design, blending analog charm with modern technology. The steering wheel is not just a tool. It's an extension of your passion, wrapped in carbon fiber and leather, housing controls for everything you need on the fly. The instrument cluster, a dazzling display of artistry, illuminates your journey with intricate details. And then there's the sound system, custom engineered to harmonize with the thunderous growl of the V12 engine. Underneath that gorgeous hood lies an AMG-sourced twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter V12, unleashing 791 horsepower and 774 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just speed, it's adrenaline on four wheels. With a top speed exceeding 230 miles per hour, the Huayra Roadster BC doesn't just take you places, it catapults you into another dimension. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is more than a car. It's a statement, a declaration of ambition and artistry. Now here's your challenge. Imagine owning one. What color would you choose? How would you customize your dream Huayra? Tell us in the comments and let your imagination race alongside this masterpiece. If this video fueled your passion for supercars, hit that subscribe button and join a community of car lovers who appreciate beauty, speed, and craftsmanship. Because here, every car has a story, and every subscriber adds to the journey. Remember, the road to greatness begins with a dream. Will you take the wheel?